From the very beginning, Emma found herself captivated by the challenge of drawing hands. Their intricate details and expressive gestures fascinated her, but mastering their portrayal proved to be no easy task. Determined to improve her skills, Emma embarked on a quest to study the anatomy of hands, poring over books and tutorials to understand their structure. With each stroke of her pencil, she honed her technique, experimenting with different perspectives and styles to bring her drawings to life. But it wasn't just about technical skill. Emma also discovered the importance of patience and perseverance. There were moments of frustration and self-doubt, but she refused to give up, knowing that every mistake was a lesson in disguise. As Emma's confidence grew, so too did her ability to capture the essence of painting. With each drawing, she infused her own unique style and perspective, creating artworks that resonated with viewers and were deeply emotional. Through her journey, Emma learned that drawing hands was not just about replicating their physical appearance, but capturing the stories they had to tell. From the gentle touch of a mother's hand to the strength and determination of a laborer's grip, each hand held a world of emotion waiting to be expressed. Now Emma shares her passion and expertise with others, guiding aspiring artists on their own creative journeys. With her guidance, they too can unlock the secrets of drawing hands and unleash their full artistic potential. So whether you're a seasoned artist or a beginner taking your first steps, join us as we dive into the art of drawing hands and discover the beauty